Did you know crypto trading is booming like never before? Ever wondered if it could lead to true financial freedom? Let's dive in. Welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the world of crypto trading. Imagine having the skills and strategies to potentially build financial independence through trading. Whether you're a beginner or looking to improve, we'll show you how to take charge of your trading journey. For new traders, diving into crypto can be both exciting and overwhelming. There's the constant market volatility, which can be intimidating. Add to that the flood of information, some of it misleading, and it's no wonder beginners feel lost. Without the right knowledge and approach, many find themselves facing steep losses and frustration. But with the right tools and mindset, you can learn to navigate these challenges successfully. Let's talk about the essentials for success in trading. First, there's technical analysis. Understanding market trends and patterns can give you valuable insights. Then there's risk management, which helps protect your capital and reduce potential losses. And finally, staying informed is key. The crypto market moves fast, so keeping up with news and trends is crucial. Mastering these concepts can set you up for steady growth. Now, here's where the transformation happens. To go from beginner to pro, you need more than just theory, you need practical strategies. Successful traders emphasize having a well-defined trading plan and setting achievable goals. For example, using stop-loss orders can help you control risk, while diversified investments can balance your portfolio. And let's not forget the success stories of traders who started with little knowledge, but made consistent gains by following these strategies. With focus and persistence, you can follow in their footsteps. In summary, successful trading is possible with the right foundation. By learning technical analysis, managing your risks, and staying informed, you're setting yourself up for success. Crypto trading isn't just for the process, for anyone willing to put in the effort. Now, we want to hear from you. Share your experiences or challenges in crypto trading in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more insights, tips, and tutorials that can help you on your trading journey.